stand today like we always dreamed, starting out our life together. The light is in your eyes, love is in our hearts. I can't believe you're really mine forever. Been rehearsing for this moment all my life, so don't act surprised if the feeling starts to carry me away. On this day, I promise forever. On this day, I surrender my heart. Here I stand, take my hand, and I will honor every word that I say on this day. Not so long ago, this earth was just a field, a cold and lonely space without you. Now everything's alive, now everything's breathing.
Mga kapatid, sumainyo ang Panginoon.
At sumaiyo rin.
Sa umaga pong ito, ating sasamahan, makagalakan at pagpapasalamat sa Diyos ang mga ikakasal, sina Elton Nepomuceno at Geraldine Gomez.
Forever here to chase your fears away. On this day, I promise forever. On this
Gaya nga po ng ating narinig sa ating Ebanghelyo na kung saan ano nga ba ang plano ng Diyos sa mag-asawa? Ano ba ang original na plano ng Diyos sa isang lalaki at babae?
I will honor every word I say. On this day.
Geraldine and Elton, now you are man and wife. Mag-asawa na kayong dalawa sa mata ng Diyos at mata ng Inang Simbahan. Bilang tanda ng inyong pagmamahalan sa isa't isa, you can kiss your wife.
There are times when I just want to
Palakpakan po
look
natin.
at your face with the stars in the night. There are times when I just want to feel your embrace in a cold night. I just can't believe that you were mine now. You were just a dream that I once knew.
Okay.
Never thought I would be right for you. I just
Ayaw
can't
mamaya. So hanggang mamaya.
anything in this world. You're all I need to be with forevermore.
Kay Jay, magiging mas-responsable ako dahil kakabibig na tayo. Mas haba yung pasensya ko at mas mamahalin ko dahil. Yun lang. Salamat!